an awesome product. Watermelon flavor is done, and it will be available for sale next week, which is huge. On to the next product that I am most anxious about, and I'd say probably a little bit more, because I always get nervous. I get nervous. I don't know if it's like, it's not worry. I'm not worrying because I have confidence in what I'm doing, but it's like I get a little nervous. The pet multivitamin. So we're launching this pet multivitamin. It's going to be USDA certified organic. It's it's almost ready. So for example, I got the label back from organic certifiers. I saw the label. I said, no, 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 we have to spell out exactly what probiotics, what strain, and how much. But remember, it's organic, so I need to make sure that that's correct, right? So then we have to have the suppliers provide documentation. Same thing on the B vitamins. They just wanted to put B vitamins in there. I said, no, no, no. We have to say the methylated form of the vitamin. These are fermented vitamins. These are whole food based ingredients, guys. These are organic. So again, had to come back to the supplier to get it. So I'm like, I just hope all this attention to detail that I don't miss a single thing. I'm like, I don't want to miss a single line item. So that it's just, it's time. It's time. The organic certification process is time. And we're at the finish line. I'm not setting this up to tell you we're delayed. We're at the finish line. It's just as soon as the label gets the final approval, which should be any day. I thought it would be last week. I truly thought it'd be last week. I thought it'd be shipping this week. But as soon as that stamp of approval comes, we already have the labels. They will be printed same day. The bottles can be filled because the blend is already done. Boom, we're ready to rock, and then we'll have it shipped out. That could be early. That could be as early as next week. It could go push into one more week. I hope it does not, but here we go. We're right there, right there. Pet multivitamin, USDA certified organic. Imagine that, guys. Now we're paying attention to our furry friends. They're also mammals. We love them so much, but for some reason we feed them these highly processed diets and think it's not going to affect them. We see it happen with us. We see what happens to our loved ones when they eat nothing but crappy processed foods every day in their life. Why would we be okay with it for our pets? So I'm excited to bring that to the table, though, because that's going to be that. You know what else, Nader, I like about the vitamin? It's easy. You top it on the food. The pets they seem to all like it. All the testing that we did liked it. But it starts the wheels turning in people's brains. It gets their eyes are opening, and they say, "Oh, you know what? Now I see the importance. Oh, and we can buy it for this amount of money because it's that affordable." And then, there's food options and there's things. So the pet market will continue to grow. I promise you. Live Good's going to stay in the pet market because we can absolutely make a difference and help a lot of people and their furry friends. We've got a bone support product I referenced. I know there's a little confusion because I said my mom is taking it. Well, she's taking it because I was able to get the samples, guys. I'm in formulation, so I get a lot of samples to make sure they try it, and I go through it. So my mom has been taking the bone support. It will have hydroxyapatite as a calcium contributor. It'll also have another form of calcium, as you'll see here soon when I launch it. A few more weeks. That was a big product. It was wait till you see the supplement facts. Again, high quality ingredients, not an easy one to put together, especially when you're looking for specific forms of hydroxyapatite and you want to know exactly how much calcium they're contributing. So that's a big player here, and that's going to be coming out real soon, a few weeks. I mean, we're going to see a compression right now of a lot of products launching in a short period of time because it's been a little bit of a lull, not too long. I mean, we've just been launching things, the CBD new flavored and watermelon flavor. But we also have a CBD gummy, USDA certified organic CBD gummy for those about you that can access it and buy it. I understand international, there's some challenges there, but that is outside of our control. Some of this international shipping for CBD, of course, there's legal requirements that we have to comply with. So, but for those that can, you're going to be excited to see that product coming because I know how much everybody's been asking about that as well. Let me just pull up my list here and run down, make sure I've covering most of the things that we were talking about. Black seed oil comment just came in and I answered to that. Yes, I did put the black seed oil in a soft gel, primarily due to the fact that the trials that I used went through people. Most people did not like the flavor. It wasn't palatable. I didn't think people would use it enough if they had to drink the oil. It was very pungent. It's very strong. So I put it in a soft gel. You can puncture the soft gel. You can extract the oil. You can use it topically. Remember, a little goes a long way. It's a super potent, high quality form of black seed oil. We'll get to that bridge here soon. That has been done. The holdup was actually Ben. I'm going to put that on Ben. That was Ben's design. He wanted the design to be perfect and had to tweak it a couple times. I had just gotten a file recently. So we're trying to just, again, fine-tooth comb, just go.
I love it.
Going through the hair, looking for, all the little pieces. So we're getting it done. We're getting it done. That's coming here real soon.